with a new video of Invincible siblings. So guys, as you know, our summer vacations are going on. Yes guys. So guys, we are here at the hidden treasure of Baramulla. Dun, dun, dun. Guys, we have discovered this place recently. Guys, let me show you how beautiful it is. You need to see it. You will memorize this moment. So guys, this place is also known as Mundaji. So guys, let's go. Look at the trees here. They are so tall. Guys, they are so tall. Oh guys, you cannot just feel how beautiful it is. So guys, it also has a stream that's flowing. Yes guys, look at the stream.
Guys, the water current is really high.
You can feel the cold breeze. We are here for a picnic and we just had a delicious hot soup. Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
It's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, smooth and sweet. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note